Hi, it's Rob, and we're busy with the backlinking course, and we've got to video number 12, which is video linking. Now, if you followed any of my content creation courses, my SEO courses, and any others, you will see that I will constantly tell you to always make videos. I will tell you to switch those videos on and run them live stream through either the Facebook system or through the YouTube system. Those are incredibly things. I'd tell you to use the OBS software, which is down here on my page, OBS Studio, because video is extremely powerful. And if you neglect video and do it badly, you're just wasting an opportunity. Okay, so the basics of it, though, is that you create a video related to the page that you're publishing. And it needn't be one of these 10-minute ones that I keep making for you. It can be literally 60 seconds that just does the bullet points of what you want done. And then you give it a decent description, a decent title. This is on YouTube, right? You publish it on YouTube with a decent description, decent title, decent tags, and you link to your page. You put it into a playlist if possible, and you share it in 20 places or through your RFTTT system here, through your automation system, and you make the world know about your video. There are other tricks with video ranking. So now we're talking about SEO, quick interruption, but you could leave your video as private listing, only to be viewed with a link, and then you run an ad to it until it's had 1,000 views, so you're paying. And then you switch it on live, and because it's got 1,000 views, it kind of shoots to the top quite quickly. And then you still run some more ads to it, and now it starts to get seen, and it's working, and it's lovely. And that's if it's a video that you needed seen, instead of just being a link there back to your page. So YouTube, extremely powerful, done right, can drive hundreds. I've got at least one video with over 100,000 views. I've probably got a few, to be honest. I don't even bother checking anymore. In my honest opinion, I find it very hard to make the video traffic convert. So I use it as backlinking. I want them to find my page in Google search, in other words, for normal organic SEO, and I like to use the power of my link on video to do that. There's a couple of tricks you can do with video linking. If you local search, you can make a page for almost every single one of the videos. So let's just say you're a plumber in Austin, and you can do plumber Austin, and make a video, and then you can do emergency plumber in Austin, and you can say top plumber in Austin and make a video. You get where I'm going. So that way you end up with 30, 40, 50 videos, all of them chatting for a minute or two, showing pictures of what you do, all of them real. And all of them linking to similar pages, and it means that almost no matter who, looks for and finds you in the system when they search, you're going to crop up everywhere. But this is a kind of powerful for local search, and it does work. As far as getting traffic for the main videos, I would say you need to I can't really say. I think the trick is to rank your video, and to do that you need this OBS Studio, and you need to do live streaming. You need to come up as if you do a live stream, in other words, you schedule a live stream on YouTube, and you schedule it for the next day. When you do that, Google publishes it as news, and that gets you an almost instant higher ranking. And so there are ways of gaming video marketing, but here I'm just saying that you need to have that link from your video. How to do ranking is slightly different, but for now that's cool. Okay, now you must always feed your video links through the IFTT social adder stuff. It works. Number 2, so it's no matter, even if you've fed it through here, you go and tweet it as well, and you put it on Facebook as well, and you, right? If you go to the trouble, I used to do this 5-6 years ago. I've given it up because it's just so time consuming. You can put the same video on other video platforms and share that, and that you're getting, now it's the same video, and you're getting the same, and a unique backlink from that video on a different platform. The only hiccup is that most of the good ones charge you money to put your video up there with a link. So places like Vimeo, I think. I've even forgotten. I used to even belong to one that had 10, and every time I published it, it shared it to 10. I think it was in the days when they were all still free. Before I thought, what, you want me to pay? No, thank you. But it's not a bad thing, especially if you've got a visual product. And now you're kind of showing people how to do makeup, or you've got crafting, where you want to rank for visual. It's a perfectly good thing. In fact, all of these videos that I'm making for you now will be on YouTube and unfindable if you search YouTube, because you're in a membership site. So I'm going to end up with 500 videos on my YouTube channel, and I'm likely to get 30 views a month of the 5 that are visible. It's the way it is. Okay, finally, I'm told, and I don't trust this or believe it very much, that you can publish your videos in hundreds of other languages, or 10, and gain all those extra backlinks. But now it's a backlink, that's fine. But did you really need some French guy who can only understand French to pitch up at your website? So I don't know that I don't see the I guess I haven't explored this enough, so let me not be showing just a cynical viewpoint of it. You can decide whether it's good or bad. I mean, if it's an Amazon thing, for example, maybe it's worth having multiple languages on your review on an Amazon, an automatic toothpick manufacturing tool, or whatever it is, So doesn't matter, a lawnmower, because a guy in France is going to still use the same lawnmower as the guy in Ireland. So sometimes it's worth it. You've got to consider all of that. But that's pretty much where I'm at with video linking. Very, very important. There's a certain way of doing it all, but yes, it's somewhere you have to put links, and don't feel scared. In fact, on your description from your video to your website, you can actually get away with 2 or 3 or 4 links quite easily before YouTube starts to say, excuse me, and shoots you down. Remember, YouTube is also Google, so Google likes its own links. Cool, that's it. I'm going to catch you on the next video. Cheers.